Public blockchain, when you are working on a public blockchain application, then you have to decide which chain you want to use. You can choose maybe Ethereum, you can choose maybe Cosmos, Polygon, or maybe Casper, or maybe any other. But whichever you choose, there are different like limitations, like you cannot use one language for all. So you have to decide which chain you want to use, and then you have to work on their language. For example, for the Ethereum, you can use Solidity, or maybe Polygon, you can also use Solidity. For Go, you can use Cosmos, you can use Go and Rust. So you have to decide which chain you want to use and what technology, and these technology will tell you that which language you should use in order to write any application, especially when you are writing a smart contract. So usually we use these languages for writing a smart contract, and this is the only major part that where you have to use. Otherwise, rest of the application technologies are Web 2 technologies, which can be Node.js, Python, and so on. When you're writing any application for the private blockchain network, or maybe a permission blockchain network, or a consortium between different like entities or organization, then you have a lot of choices here. Like a Hyperledger Fabric, it's a complete framework which can provide you decentralized data distributed ledger technology, which you can use it for between different entities. You can write your own chain codes, which is also another name of the smart contract. Or you can use Corda if you are writing a financial application. Then of course the highly valuable framework for the blockchain network is R3 Corda. It's one of the best blockchain or distributed ledger technology. You should use it. Quorum is another private blockchain network. One of the it is actually coming from the JP Morgan. They created this one, the team, and it is something that you can use for your private or maybe permission based or consortium based. Again, you have the option between these three, or if you as long as your major part, from the data write, read, and transactional history maintaining, all those things are covering. You can use any of these technology. Ethereum can be also used for the permission based or consortium based application, but you have to customize its entire source code. The Ethereum is an open source, so you can download the entire client of the Ethereum and you can customize it. Again, here the technology languages are different, which means that you can use Java, maybe Kotlin, or maybe Solidity or Go. Java, you can use Corda R3. If you are working on Corda R3, you can use Java, or you can use also Kotlin as well if you are working. Again, Hyperledger Fabric, Go, you can use Go, or maybe you can use Java. Again, it's depend on you. If you are using Quorum or Ethereum, you can use it Solidity as well. So every chain or a framework that you going to use for writing your blockchain application, you must know that everything is it's not same. You have to adopt their chain and their technology, and then you have to move on. So this is how you can work on any blockchain network.